Hi, in this tutorial we're going to be installing Visual Basic 2010 Express. So let's go ahead and open up the internet browser. We're going to go to Google and just search for VB Express 2010. Click on the first link. If you don't get, if you can't search and find this link, it's microsoft.com/express/downloads. And you should get a page like this. So we're going to go ahead and click on Visual Basic 2010 Express. Select the language. Mine is English. Click on it. And let's go do the security thing. Download file. And if that happens to you, you might need to click on it again and select your language again. And okay, here we go. And I'm going to select run and click run again. You can keep this selected or deselect it. I'm going to deselect it. You don't have to though, it doesn't affect your performance. Accept the license terms, click next. Do download Microsoft Silverlight. We might touch on that a little bit later on, but you really don't have to if you don't want to. That's not part of the core programming language. You also don't have to download SQL Server, and I probably won't be doing much with that. But if you want to, again, you can. Okay, I'm gonna keep the installation location the same. You can change it if you want. Click next, and now it's gonna install. Depending on the speed of your internet, it's gonna be fast or slow. Mine is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna pause the video and resume once it's done, and we'll pick up where we leave off. Okay, I'm back and it has installed, and now it's asking me to restart, so I will restart. Now once you're done restarting, I suppose something like this is going to be happening. And I think we're just about done with the whole install, so... one thing about installing VB, if you haven't figured this out yet, you can't do it on any other operating system other than Windows, so I probably should have mentioned that in the beginning, but yeah, so I'll pause it and let this finish through, and then I'll start the video again. So okay, it loaded back, and now it's just finishing it up. And I'll pause it one more time and let this install finish, and then I'll start the video again. So you should probably do the same, just pause the video and... Okay, my install is almost done. and there it's finished. So it has been successfully installed, and I'll click exit. Now let's see if it's there. Yep, right here. Visual Basic 2010 Express. And the first time you load it, it is going to go through this little setup, so I might as well show it to you right now. Okay, so here it is. Now I'll give you a very basic run through here. New project, you can create new programs from here. I'll delve into this in my next tutorial more. And open project lets you obviously open your projects. And don't forget to subscribe to my account. And thanks for watching. Be sure to watch the next tutorial, which will get you programming a bit. So see you then.